In this demonstration, we'll show how easy it is to streamline your layout process and ensure design confidence in manufacturing process design. We have a representation of a proposed new manufacturing area in AutoCAD. The combination of Pro Model AutoCAD Edition and the factory design utilities allow teams to easily create better communication and, more importantly, data to support new ideas. As seen here, we have a layout, and the throughput of this line meets our production requirements. However, our quality manager's past experience has been that adding a quality inspection area to the line drastically reduces problems downstream. His suggestion was to add part inspection as part of the manufacturing process in this line. We will add the station suggested via the Autodesk Factory Design Utilities, a table to support the inspection machine, and the machine. The table can be easily resized to accommodate the machine on it, and containers need to be added for good parts and reject parts. Now that we have our spatial considerations accounted for, we can modify the flow of the line. In AutoCAD, we make a few simple changes. We change the flow to include the new equipment, set up a percentage of reject parts versus good parts, and assign the operator that is nearest to take on the task of inspection, along with his other duties. We now run the simulation with the new considerations, and we see that with the second operator tasked to do inspection, as well as his other tasks, we can't meet the throughput of 300 or more parts per day configured as we are. We can see from the data that the operator is now 95% utilized as compared to the 60% he was before. There are several things we could try to improve throughput, such as conveyor speeds, machine cycle speeds, and so on. But the simplest would be to test the line with 2 operators at the second station. We'll add a scenario to our Pro Model simulation and test the line with 2 operators instead of 1 at that end of the line. The simulation inside of AutoCAD shows the current state versus the proposed state. We can see graphically how product flows through the line with 1 operator versus 2. The output viewer shows us the current state and the proposed state and allows us to compare these. We can see that adding a second worker here allows us to meet our 300 or more parts per shift, and furthermore, we can see the cost effects as well. The output viewer can be configured easily to see more information based on what we are studying. We can further communicate our intent by seeing the line operating in 3D, literally a one-click workflow that runs the simulation in 3D for us. By using Pro Model and Autodesk Factory Design Utilities, we can turn our spatial layouts into a powerful enterprise decision-making tool, allowing customers to make better decisions faster.